Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is find number x such that the sum of the factors is 124. So what is the given question? You have to find out the number x. The given information is the sum of all factors of x is equal to 124. So you have to find out x. So how to do this? You already know the expression for finding out the sum of all factors of a number. What is that expression? The sum of all factors of a number n will be given as 1 plus p raised to 1 plus p square plus up to p raised to a into 1 plus p1. Okay, 1 plus p1 raised to 1 plus p1 square plus up to p1 raised to a into 1 plus p2 raised to 1 plus p2 square plus up to p2 raised to b into 1 plus p3 raised to 1 plus p3 square plus up to p3 raised to c, where p1, p2 and p3 are the prime numbers and a, b and c are representing the powers. So x is equal to p1 raised to a, p2 raised to b and p3 raised to c. Then only we will be able to write sum in the form of equation number 1. So x is equal to p1 raised to a, p2 raised to b and p3 raised to c, and this is equal to 124. That is the given information. Sum of the factors of n is given. You are asked to find out x. But our main task is to find out this p1, p2, p3 and a, b and c. Then you will be easily getting x. So now 124, how can you factorize? 124 is equal to 62 into 2, which is equal to 31 into 2 square. Okay, 31 into 4. So 31 into 2 square is one way for writing 124. Or you can say it is 31 into 4 or 1 into 124. So these are different ways in which the 124 can be factorized. So 2 into 62. So but can 2 be expressed in the form of 1 plus p1 raised to 1 plus p1 square plus up to p1 raised to a, where p1 is any prime number. So suppose p1 is equal to 2. Okay, so 2 is the smallest prime number possible. So when p1 is equal to 2, what will be the formula? 1 plus 2 raised to 1. So that itself will be giving you 3. So 2 cannot be expressed as a sum of prime numbers, or 2 cannot be expressed in the format 1 plus p1 raised to 1 plus p2 square. In that format 2 cannot be expressed. So this cannot be considered here. So next one is if you are taking 31 into 4. So 31 into 4 means how can you express 4? Can you express 4 in terms of 2? 2 is a prime number. So 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Next term will be 2 square 4. So this 4 won't come. So next if you are taking 3 means 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So 1 plus 3 raised to 1 is equal to 4. That is one way of expressing 4. Okay. So 4 can be expressed as 1 plus 3 raised to 1. Then what about 31? Can 31 be expressed in the form of product of prime numbers? 31. So if you are taking what is the next prime number? Okay, 3 itself we can take. Can 31 be expressed as a product of powers of 3? So 1 plus 3, then the next number is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Next number is 9. So 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. So 13 plus next number will be 27. So 13 plus 27, it will become greater than 31. So this it cannot be expressed as a sum of powers of 3. Now let's try with 2. 2 means 1 plus 2 raised to 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus next term is 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Plus next term is 8. So 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. And next is 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. So 15 plus 16 is equal to 31. So 31 can be expressed as a sum of powers of 2. 1 plus 2 raised to 1 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus 2 raised to 4 is equal to 31. So is there any other way to express 31? Now let's try the next prime number 5. So 5 means 1 plus 5 raised to 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 plus 5 square is the next term. 6 plus 25 is equal to 31. So there are two ways of expressing 31. What about the next prime number? 7 is the next prime number. So 1 plus 7 is 8 8 plus 7 square is equal to 49. So, we will be getting a number greater than 31. So, that is not possible. So, there are two ways of expressing 31 as a product of powers of, as a sum of powers of prime numbers. That is our aim. We have to express 124 as product of two terms here. Here the two terms are this one plus p1 square plus p2 square and this term. That means we have to express 124 as the product of sums of powers of prime numbers. Okay, I will write and show. So, here this 124 can be written as 124 will be equal to, so 124 is equal to 31 into 4. So, 31 how you can write? 1 plus 2 raised to 1 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus 2 raised to 4 into 4 can be written as 1 plus 3 raised to 1. This is one way. And second way will be 124 is equal to 1 plus 5 raised to 1 plus 5 square into 1 plus 3 raised to 1. Okay. So, now if this is expressed in this way, 124 is the sum of factors. Sum of all factors of x is equal to 124, and 124 can be expressed in two ways. So, one is given here 1 plus 2 raised to 1 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus 2 raised to 4 into 1 plus 3 raised to 1, and the second way is also given here. So, if this is the first expression, then what will be x? X will be equal to p1 raised to a. So, what is p1 here? 2 is the prime number. 2 is a 1 plus p raised to 1 plus p1 square plus p raised to p1 cube plus p1 up to p1 raised to a. So, here a will be actually 4. So, 2 raised to 4 into x is equal to p1 raised to a into p2 raised to b into p3 raised to c. And what is p2 here? What is the second prime number? 3. 3 is the second prime number and b is equal to 1. So, 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 1, which gives you 16 3s are 48. And if 124 is expressed like this, what will be x? X will be equal to, here the prime number is equal to 5. 1 plus p1 raised to 1 plus p1 square. So, here p1 is equal to 5 and the power of a is equal to 2. So, x is equal to 5 square into 1 plus 3 raised to 1. So, your prime number is equal to 3 and your power is equal to 1. So, 5 square into 3 raised to 1, which gives you 75. So, there are two possibilities for x. X is either is equal to 48 or 75. So, this is how you do the problem when the sum of factors of x is given and you have to find out x. Thank you for watching.